What's up guys? That's another purchase thing I'm going to try out now. If you guys remember, on the front of my Scooby, you can see it, yeah, just there in a glare, there it was, piston hill climb sticker on there, one of these. I kept one of these from the number plates and stuck them on everywhere. Well, I've taken it off and now it's left a flipping mark. So I'm not the biggest fan of doing polishing on my cars at all, not one bit. So this one popped up on TikTok shop, so I thought, give it a shot. It's nice, small, portable thing. So let's get it out of the box, something like that. So I thought I'll give it a shot, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. It comes, you get a gun, you got two of these and one fine buffer one. Charging thing is the best bit is, at the minute they're like super discount, so let's see how it works, and if it's any good I'm gonna add it to my showcase on TikTok. That's the plan. Right, and what we're gonna use is this extra fine plus. Hopefully it takes it out. Alright, let's give it a shot and see what's what. Alright, so to operate it, what I've figured out, you got a little button there, you press it, it comes on. Not too fast, but for polishing you don't need anything fast. Let's see, what does it do here? I think it tells you the pressure, I think. I'm not sure on that one. Right, and yeah, one of these literally sticks on. Bit of your preferred paste. Let's put it on there instead. It will help if it will be open. Look, I'll break it as you do. Oh, that's loads. Right, let's do a bit of polishing out and see what's what. I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. Alright, so that didn't take long at all. I do actually like it. It's very light and it does the job. It does the job. And considering it doesn't tell you the charge though, but I haven't charged it. I literally took it out of the box and I've done that for about 5 minutes and it's still going. And as you can see, still some remnants there, but it looks much better. And compared to the rest of the bonnet, I mean, night and day. It's like a mirror. So yeah, definitely gonna add this one on a showcase, because I think it's a good product for a good price. And I think at the minute, let's go on TikToks. $16.99. So that's all you pay for it. So it used to be 30 quid, but you know, still got my other ones as well. Still played a little game. I love it. This one I haven't actually gotten to properly use it, just used it as a fan when it was hot days, but it works for that. But as for that one, when I get to clean it, so yeah, if you guys want some of these, go and have a look on TikTok shop. And the other thing is, comment, like, subscribe on our page, much appreciated on that one. And I'm probably going to put this one on YouTube as well, so go and follow there as well. That's main channel, main one essentially for the big videos and things like that. So alright, on that note, clean up to do. As you can see, as per usual, it does make a mess still, even same as a big one. I love it. Definitely going to use that one. But now I think I'll need to finish one corner here and do the rest of the bonnet, because otherwise this looks shiny and that looks shit. So yeah, cheers guys, see you later.